Welcome to Minity Maths. In this video we are going to explain how to find the area of a trapezium. Subscribe for weekly maths videos. A trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of sides that are parallel. We usually know the perpendicular height of the trapezium along with the lengths of the parallel sides, which are usually labelled A and B. With this information, we can find the area. Let's see how. Imagine we duplicate this trapezium and flip it upside down. We can then make a parallelogram. Have a look at our video about how to find the area of a parallelogram if you need to. Now we have a parallelogram, we can see that if we add the length of A and B together, we get the length of the base of the parallelogram. We can now multiply this by the height to find the area of this parallelogram. Remember, we duplicated the trapezium to make this parallelogram, so if we now halve the area of the parallelogram, we have found the area of the trapezium. So here is the formula. You may see the formula written in various ways such as this. Use whichever one works best for you, as these are equivalent. Let's have a look at this example. Have a go at these practice questions and pause the video while you work them out. Thanks for watching Minity Maths.